Hi guys, today I've got an elegant chignon hairstyle in under 2 minutes. To start, I'm going to apply some wax spray over the head to help control flyaways and give a little hold. I'll pop everything I used down below. Smooth everything back into a low ponytail and then gently pinch and pull at the hair with your fingers to create a little bit of texture and volume. Now I'm going to add a clear elastic band about halfway down the ponytail, and then taking the end of the ponytail I'm going to split it in half. And then all I'm going to do is start rolling that elastic band up towards the nape of the neck, then secure from both sides with a couple of bobby pins through the centre of that little bun. With the ends, I'm simply going to crisscross them over each other and tuck the ends underneath the chignon and secure with a few more pins. Finish everything off with some strong hold hairspray. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.